Today we are going to discuss about single phase induction motor. There are four types are there. The first one is a split phase induction motor. Second one capacitor start induction motor. Third one is capacitor start and capacitor run induction motor. The last one is shattered pole induction motor. Construction and working principle of induction motor. Similar to a DC motor, single phase induction motor has basically two main parts. One rotating, other one is stationary part. In single phase induction motor is called stator, while the rotating part is called rotor. The stator winding is wound for certain definite number of poles, means when excited by single phase AC supply. Stator produces the magnetic field which creates the effect of certain definite number of poles. The number of poles for which stator winding is wound decides the synchronous speed of the motor. The synchronous speed is denoted as n and it has a fixed relation with supply frequency f and number of poles p. The relation is given by ns equal to 120 f by p. ns is a synchronous speed, f is a frequency, p is a pole. Working principle: for the motoring action there must exist two fluxes which interact with each other to produce the torque. In DC motors, field winding produces the main flux while DC supply given to armature is responsible to produce armature flux. The main flux and armature flux interact to produce torque. In the single phase induction motor, single phase AC supply is given to the stator winding. The stator winding carries an alternating current which produces the flux, which is also alternating in nature. This flux is called main flux. These flux links with the rotor conductors and due to transformer action EMF gets induced in the rotor. The induced EMF drives current through the rotor as rotor circuit is closed circuit. This rotor current produces another flux called rotor flux required for the monitoring action. The second flux is produced according to induction principle due to induced EMF. Hence the motor is called induction motor. This is an important difference between DC motor and an induction motor. Thank you.